love, so you already saw from the title of the video, we are getting into another glueless wig unit. And yes, it has the 4C edges, and yes, it looks so natural. But disclaimer, I know I have a creature growing in the middle of my forehead right now, okay? Yes, I am aware. It is a huge hormonal acne pimple, and when I say it hurts, okay? I know it's there. That's why I did not do my makeup today, which I am so mad about, but it's okay. We are not gonna let this little creature stop us from going ahead and doing this wig unit. Today's unit is from ILIKEHAIR, so shout out to ILIKEHAIR for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get into this unit. So right out of the box, this is definitely giving natural babe. Like, I can only imagine how this is gonna look fluffed out. It's giving natural girl, fresh wash and go. That is the vibe that it's giving. Oh my gosh, I'm ashy. How am I always ashy when I turn this camera on? I promise y'all, I put lotion on. I put lotion on 1,000 times a day. I promise y'all I do. It just so happens that every time this camera comes on, I am ashy. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the hairline now that we can do it up close and personal because I'm not ashy anymore. We can see that it has those textured kinky 4C edges on the hairline. So you have here your elastic band. They came prepared with this parting space. And as we can see here, it already comes pre-tinted. It's got a little brown on there. Y'all see my nails? Got my nails done today. Anyway, it has a little brown on there, but we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit more lace tint spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig off, and I want to see what this wig is looking like before we make any kind of changes to it. Once I fluff this up, this is definitely going to be a vibe. I can already tell. I really want to do a side part, but I actually think I'm going to leave it in the middle and just fluff it up. I really wish I could, you know, cover this part of my forehead, but it's just not working out that way today. You guys already know, if you've been here, I use my Old Faithful, which is my even tinted lace in the color medium brown. So I'm going to do this, spray it on my brush because, again, if you've been here, then you know I don't like to spray these directly on the lace. I like to spray them on a brush just because this spray comes out so quick and so it just gets a little runny, and for the purposes of not spraying too much, I just like to put it on a brush first. So you could most certainly comb these edges out. I mean, not comb them out. You could most definitely put a little bit of mousse right here and just press it in there, fluff up the curls, and let it go. But I think I want to go ahead and spray this down just a little bit with some lace spray and melt it in, put my melting band, and then comb out these edges so I can flatten them just a little bit. But just keep in mind, this is an absolute 100% glueless wig, so you do not have to do any kind of manipulation to it as far as spraying, melting, gluing. You don't have to do any of it. This is just personal choice, but I wanted to make that very clear. You could fluff it up from right here, do like this on the edges, and you could be completely done. Just taking this on my finger and doing it right along the hairline. Okay, so I went ahead and dried that lace spray. Now I'm just gonna move this wig right on top of where I sprayed. I'm just taking my finger to mush it down in place. You could use a rat tail comb. I just forgot to grab mine off the dresser and I don't feel like it. I think our box comes with a melting band. Let's go ahead and check. Look at there. I don't even have to get up because there's a rat tail comb in the box. Your box is also going to come with, let's see, a wig cap, and then you're also going to get a melting band, an edge brush, some duckbill clips. So you definitely have what you need inside the box. All right, so everything is in place. I combed the edges out a little bit. We'll come back to that here in a second. For now, I just want to take the melting band out and go ahead and apply it on top so that I can go ahead and fluff out the rest of the hair. I'm just taking a little mousse because I really don't feel like this hair needs much in order for me to fluff it out. So I'm just taking this through with the mousse, not doing much, just adding a little bit more definition to the hair. And then I think I'm going to go through and blow dry each section just to like have it dry up. That way I can kind of form it the way that I want it to be. Gone through to define the curls the way that we want them to be. We went ahead and finger coiled a bunch of them, especially ones like, look at how pretty those are gonna look. I'm telling you, once we dry it, you'll see the difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry half of my hair off camera, and we'll come back to see the difference in 3, 2, 1. So do we see the difference? Like, see how this is already looking full? And let me tell y'all something, this is halfway dry. My hair is still very damp in some spots, but I just want you to see, look at how it is filling out on this side compared to this side. So this side is super flat. This side, we see the curls are nice and defined. And I haven't even gone through with my pick yet. So let's go ahead and finish drying out the hair. That way we can pick it out and we can see what the wig is giving. And we're just gonna go ahead and comb the hairs back some, and I'm just going to separate it right in the middle and just comb some of them to the front. So that's definitely giving a really realistic look right along the hairline. Again, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I could definitely take a hot comb to this and straighten it out some, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to mess up the texture that's already there. And if you want, you can put a little mousse there. Go ahead and give yourself a little swoop right there in the front if you want to, just to make it look very, very natural. I mean, look at that. Look what just that little bit of mousse did. Just, I have to do the other side. Hold on. Now, my favorite part, which is the pick. We are going to go in and just really give this hair some volume. I mean, it already definitely has volume, but we're going to give it even more volume. All I can say about this wig is this looks like my hair. Like, nobody could tell me that this is not my hair. This is coming out of my scalp, if anybody asks around. From the 4C edges to the texture of the hair, how the curls are defined, this is definitely looking like a fresh wash and go. Not even a fresh wash and go, because we all know that wash and goes look the best around that 3 to 4 day mark. This is giving 3 to 4 day wash and go. I want to do my makeup so bad. I'm so mad about that pimple. Anyway, enough with the pimple, enough with it, because it's there. I can't do anything about it. But I give the hair a 10 out of 10 for sure. Like I said, it's definitely full. The curls are so defined and cute, and just everything about this wig is definitely giving natural girl. So thank you once again, ILIKEHAIR, for sponsoring today's video. I think the wig is amazing. If you want to shop the look, definitely make sure you check in the description box below, because all of the wig details will be down there, of course. And don't forget to save with the coupon code that is attached. So that is today's video. Comment down below. Tell me what you think of the unit. Tell me what you think of the fullness of it and just what it's giving overall. I think it's absolutely amazing, and you can definitely trick somebody into thinking that this is your hair. But anyway, I'm about to wrap here. If you know, like you know, that's because you've been here before. If not, this message is for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby, and also make sure that you guys are hitting that notification bell as well, so you can see when the videos are going up on my channel. Until next time, love.